Hey guys, today we're going to cover the Sissy squat, and we'll cover a little progression to help you build up the strength in your quads for the Sissy squat. So initially, it can have a bit of a bad reputation, but as with everything, it all depends on the context. So initially what I would do is, I'll do it from the side so you can see. So shoulder width apart, so a nice, comfortable, neutral stance, feet under hips, okay? So you're there. All we're going to do then is tuck the pelvis under, so squeeze the glutes, tuck the pelvis under, so that's nice and extended here. Imagine someone has nailed a board from the back of your knee to the back of your head. Now this is a board, so this can't bend at all. From there, imagine, again, a lot of imagination, but imagine there's a string on your knees and it's being pulled forward. So the knees go forward. And now this board doesn't bend. That's it. That's as far as I want you to go to start with. Just like that. Now you might feel a little bit of a stretch in the quads as you're doing it. If you need to, you can put your hands out to help you balance. And don't be scared to lean back. If you want, do it with the bed behind you or your sofa or something like that. So, and you just keep going that little bit further each time. Just not breaking the line. The line is the important thing to keep. So, once again, nice neutral stance, shoulder width apart, hips tucked under so that the front of the hips is extended and nice and open. And then that string, pulling your knees forward as the board stops your body from moving, and you just practice going as low as you can and up again. Now, a nice little progression exercise to help you get there is the zombie squat. So this is done on the knees, like this. So I would do it with my knees, again, shoulder width apart, because it's mimicking your standing position. And the idea is that board at the back, that board that is nailed from your knee to the back of your head, that's the feeling that we're working on. So you'll be pushing into the ground with your feet as you go back. So just go to here to start with. Again, use your hands if you want. So it's just building up that strength in that movement position. So you can go right down if you want, and back up if you want.